5 Best Coffee Makers. Best 500 BSS Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. From Brevely. This espresso machine has automatic steam wand, allows you to adjust the milk temperature and texture to suit your taste. It achieves the optimum extraction temperature in 3 seconds. It also features low pressure pre-infusion. ECYSC 100 Coffee Maker. From Sojiroshi. The Sojiroshi Fresh Brew Plus ECYSC 100 does well in our tests and offers all the features you expect of a modern brewer. It comes with a thermal carafe, a removable reservoir, auto shutoff, a cleaning indicator, and programming. Its custom-designed 10-cup carafe keeps coffee warm for hours. Pixie Espresso Machine. From Nespresso. Pixie Espresso Maker has a 19-bar high-pressure pump, and it comes in a sleek, metallic finish and can make both espresso and coffee. It has a removable reservoir, a height-adjustable drip tray, auto shutoff, and adjustable brew temperature. OXO on 9-cup coffee maker. From OXO. For people who want pour-over, quality coffee but the convenience of a one-button machine, we recommend this wonderful coffee maker. It can make 9 cups of coffee. This coffee maker has a timer for automatic brewing. DCC 3200 Programmable Coffee Maker. From Cuisinart. This DCC 3200 coffee maker is perfect for making 14 Cuban pesos of coffees. It features programming, auto shutoff, a cleaning indicator, a permanent filter, a water filter, brew strength control, and a small batch setting.